I guess what I'm looking for here is some repair shops that are very familiar with Land Rovers, and that is where you guys come in. I need your help to repair the Land Rovers. As you all know, they have a little bit of a reputation of needing frequent repairs. Most of you have come to the channel from some of the various Land Rover projects we have done. We had our 2004 Discovery with a 5.3 liter LS V8. Now midnight. Started this morning. We also have our current Defender 90 getting a 430 horsepower GM Performance LS3. Just look at that. And we also have my daily driver 2010 LR4. That one was not immune to the 5 liter timing chain problems. Quite popular in that era, Land Rover. Well, that's not good. She's got a lot of floppage. But with today's video, what I want to do is compile a list of reputable, independent Land Rover specialist repair shops. I guess what I'm looking for here is some repair shops that are very familiar with Land Rovers, and that is where you guys come in. I was fortunate enough to own a European repair shop that specialized in Land Rovers, and I now have the space and occasionally the time to repair the mini Land Rovers in our collection. That also affords us the opportunity to take on some outside work for other people. I know most of the Land Rover owners out there are not in the position that I am, and you need to take your pride and joy to someone else to do modifications or repairs. And we all know the automotive world is not always known for the most upstanding people in it. But with the popularity of some of our LS swap video and timing chain Land Rover videos, I get quite a few messages, comments, emails on people wanting us to do the repairs and modifications to their Land Rovers after seeing me take apart the 2.6 liter Nada engine. I'm not sure why, but I appreciate you guys trusting me. But being in Iowa and not having the full-time repair shop anymore, that kind of limits my ability to help everyone out there. And as much as I wish I could help everyone, I think this is the best solution to that problem. I'm always here for advice. I just may not be able to do the physical work all the time. So my goal here is to compile a list, and I'll put it into a spreadsheet. I'll have it on our website and I'll keep it updated. And it'll also give me something that I can send out to anyone that reaches out. Because most of the Land Rover owners throughout the world are not in Iowa. There are a few of us, but most of them not here. So what you guys can do to help is in the comments below, or I'll leave my email in the description if you don't want to post it publicly. Leave the name and location of a trustworthy, competent, and mainly fair independent repair shop that you have firsthand experience with. I'm mainly looking for independent repair facilities, as I've always felt those are the pathway to the most reasonable way to own a Land Rover. But if you had exceptional service at a main dealer, I'm open to that as well. Also, if you're outside of the US, make sure to note the country of where the shop is, because I'm just a dumb American. And please note whether they're just a maintenance and repair facility or if they do performance stuff as well, because we have quite a few people reach out for LS-based swaps. So let's get ourselves a nice list that makes the world of Land Rover ownership a little less painful. Because when they're working, they're fantastic. I mean, I do enjoy the working on them too, but the working part is nice. Look who came to visit. We'll keep this video short, but we have one more piece of housekeeping left to do. We have to pick the winners from the 10,000 subscriber giveaway. Main winner gets a shirt. 3 people will get a keychain. We got the comment picker up here, and we have ads because I'm cheap and I don't pay for the premium one. Let's see who wins the shirt here. The shirt goes to Matthew Hart. And his favorite part of 2022 was when I thought I was missing some parts in a delivery, but it was just efficient packaging. Next up, Zeke007. Get yourself a keychain. And his favorite part was the shop build. I very much enjoyed that myself. Fuffle Narnia gets a keychain as well. And getting Ted's NADA 109 running again was his favorite moment. Another good one. Have a little visit from the Ether Bunny. Again? Again. Go. And the last keychain goes to Joe. And his favorite part, he said, was my good humor and positive approach. I found when you own a bunch of Land Rovers, you have to be positive. But there you go. I appreciate you, Joe. And I appreciate the rest of you as well. Let's do our best and make Land Rover ownership as easy as possible for everyone, and throw a comment down below with your favorite shop. With that being said, I'll reach out to the winners, and I appreciate you guys watching. Appreciate you subscribing, and we will catch you on the next one. LS3 Defender.